So hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So as you know that tomorrow lots of candidates will be having exam. So first of all the best and best of luck for your exam. Now in this video I will talk about on a very issue because on 21st or 20th of March many of the candidates have faced the issue related to compiler and coding interface and they were not aware of all those stuff. Though I have already uploaded the video related to it, but little bit more attention I want to take all of you. Okay, so in this video I will talk on the very important point that is related to coding interface, that what will the coding interface and what exactly you have to do and how you can see the output, how you can resolve the error, all those stuff I'm going to talk. So make sure to go this video completely. Okay, so first thing that I want to tell that is related to code editor. So this will be kind of your coding interface, and the main things that I want to point out, which I already made a video earlier too. So main thing that I will point out is in this point, that is the arrow. So you can clearly see this will be the arrow point, and from here only you can see the basically output, that what exactly in your case output is coming, because many of the candidates don't have idea that how you can see, because in lead code or any GFG platform you can see that what is the expected output and what in your scenario output is coming. But in TCS this is a hack, you will get just small arrow and through only you can get the idea. Okay, and from here भाई आप लोग को code snippet check karna and simply you have to choose the language. Again saying friends, if you are stuck at any particular language now, means if you know two language and if you stuck at Java, then I will suggest don't waste your time in just debugging and all those. There might be some compiler issue. So if you know, again saying, if you know other language, then just switch to other language and try to pass the test cases as soon as possible. Okay, and manage your time very carefully. Okay, because time management is important things. Okay, so this will be a coding interface. Now coming to the little bit more about the things that you should use the constant, means you should check the constant properly. And related to compiler issue, so compiler error will be there is syntax error, missing semicolons. I think you know how to handle it. Okay, but main things you should handle, that is case sensitivity and how to take input. So if you haven't gone through a video related to how to take input, must go through it. There I have talked in detail about the different scenario. Okay, because in exam they might asking you related to the string based input scenario, or and you might be taking the input array or integer. So make sure to go the very carefully questions. Okay, and double check the syntax and debug the code step by step. Okay, and use the time very carefully. Time management is important. If you will manage the time, then you will able to solve the questions. That's the thing I want to tell. Okay, so avoid unnecessary print. Just focus on the questions about the input and output scenario, what they are asking and what they are talking to basically have a output. Okay, and must handle the edge cases properly, because if you will handle the edge cases only now, then out of 7 you can able to pass 2 to 3 cases. That completely depend on your luck and other things, but edge case is very important. Okay, and make sure to do the final submit. Okay, दो जो आपका लास्ट में जो फाइनल कोड रहेगा वो ऑटोमेटिक सेव हो जाता है, बट आई सजेस्ट do the manual submit. That will be a good things for you. Okay, so this is the important tips, general tips that I want to tell. Stay calm during the exam and manage the time properly. And the thing which I already told you related to the interface, so must go through the interface carefully. From here you can choose the language, and you can do in C++, Java, Python, all those stuff. In Python you should be aware of indentation error and all those things. Okay, so I hope I will not take much of your time, so just best of luck, just give your best. I hope you will be selected, and post selection also we are here to schedule mock interview and all those stuff. So currently आपको exam पे focus कीजिए, and just best of luck, give your best, and must make sure to go with your admit card, printed admit card and original government ID. Don't go with your college ID, because that will be not acceptable by the TCS. So go with that, and photo must take at least 2 photo, and just best of luck. So make sure to share this video, and thank you.